Welcome to online classes. I will read fifth line and explain from this line. Before that, I will refer last 4 lines as a continuation. Do not be afraid of the dark, little one. The earth must rest when the day is done. The sun may be harsh, but moonlight never, and those stars will be shining forever and ever. Now I will start fifth line for the explanation. Be friends with the night, there is nothing to fear. Explanation 1. The poet says to the little child that he can make friendship with the night because the gentle light of the moon is shining and also the light of the stars is gleaming at night in the sky. Night is very peaceful and the little child takes relief and gets dream. So poet says that the child does not feel any fear. Explanation 2. Here the poet assures to the little child that if he likes, he may be a friend of the night because the melodious light of the moon is glistering in the sky and the stars blinking in the sky. The moon light not so bright and the light of the stars glow softly. As per the poet, the night is calm and friendly and peace loving. So the child takes rest at night and gets sensation occurring in his mind during sleep. The poet confirms that the child does not feel any panic. Today, I will give you some most important thing. Please listen carefully. Fear. The spelling is F-E-A-R. Full form of fear is like that. False, F for false, E for evidence, A for appearing, R for real. False, evidence, appearing, real, that is fear. Now explanation number 3. As per the poet, the little child makes friendship with the night if he desires, because in the night everybody is observing the moonlight and the light of the stars. The moonlight is shimmering at night sky and the stars are twinkling in the sky at night. Their lights are very soft. The light of the stars give hope. So the environment at night is very enjoyable, is very presentable. It is as per the poet. As per the poet, the consideration so that child does not feel any distress. It is the 4th lecture, the end of the 4th lecture.